Bonjour, and welcome back to Historical Ancient Recipes. Today we're traveling to 18th century France to explore a dish that's as comforting as it is historic, Potage Parmentier. Named after Antoine Parmentier, a French pharmacist and nutritionist, this simple yet delicious potato soup became a symbol of his successful campaign to popularize the potato in France. Before Parmentier's efforts, potatoes were considered fit only for animal feed, but he helped change that perception, introducing this humble vegetable into the French diet. To make potage parmentier, you'll need a few simple ingredients: potatoes, leeks, onions, butter, cream, and some fresh herbs for garnish. This soup is all about the delicate flavors of the potato and leek, so let's get started. First, peel and chop your potatoes into small cubes. Then slice your leeks and dice the onions. Leeks add a subtle sweetness to the soup, while onions bring a bit of depth. We'll start by melting some butter in our pot. Once it's bubbling, add the leeks and onions and cook them until they're soft and fragrant. This step is key to building the flavor base for our potage parmentier. Now, we'll add the potatoes and just enough water to cover them. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer and let it cook until the potatoes are tender, about 20 to 30 minutes. Hash, blending and finishing. Once the potatoes are soft, you can either mash them with a spoon for a rustic texture, or blend the soup for a smoother finish. Traditionally, is a bit chunky, so I'm going to keep it that way. To finish, we'll stir in a splash of cream for richness and season with salt and pepper to taste. Simple, yet so satisfying. Hash, historical context. Antoine Parmentier's promotion of the potato wasn't just about introducing a new food. He was addressing food security in France during a time of frequent crop failures. His efforts were so successful that became a beloved dish, symbolizing nourishment and resilience. Hash, tasting and conclusion. Delicate, creamy, and comforting is the perfect example of how simple ingredients can create something truly special. Thank you for joining me in rediscovering this classic 18th century French dish. If you enjoyed this episode, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more historical recipes. À bientôt! Subscribe for more culinary journeys through history.